I don't know if you can hear this on this phone, but the locusts or cicadas, either one you want to call it, but they are really humming it this morning. It's almost like deafening, and yeah, they're all in the woods. They do occasionally fly at the house and land somewhere, but let me take you a walk around and I'll show you the locust skins that we have on the trees. So, ooh, birdfly! Look at that! It's a beautiful birdfly. I love butterflies. There's a moth there, the white one that's flying around. Got a bumblebee. Watch yourself. Let me see if I can find you one. Oh, several maple over here is dying. I could see that. Okay, it's not on that tree. Let me look at this one. See if there's any locust skins here. Oh, look at this one. There's one right there. And it's alive. They look like that 17-year locust. We zoom in. They have red beady eyes. Their wingspans are shorter, which makes them more louder. Yep. How cool is that to find one on this tree? Yeah. So I can go around. And then their natural habitat. Where'd he go? Oh, he's moving quick. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Yep, give you a more closer look of him. Yep. Zoom out. Zoom out. Yep, that's what they are here. It's cool to actually see one on a tree. So I think they're looking for a mate, and I haven't found a skin for you yet. I got bugs landing on me, which I'm kind of freaking out right now. I don't like bugs touching me when walking. It's like, feels like something's crawling up on you. I don't see one of the trees here, so let me watch where I walk to. Look who came to visit. It's Olivia. What you doing, Olivia? Really? You already got fed, sweetie. You already got fed. Come on. There must be a bird's nest, because that bird is chirping at me somewhere. You're gonna get rained on. You're gonna get rained on, Olivia. Because I'm already starting to feel it's gonna rain. Come on. This is what I have to deal with when walking. She gets to my legs, like her mom, Morgan. So, you're going to make me trip. Yes, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Olivia. Your catnip really needs to be watered here. Thankfully, it's gonna get rained on. Looks like it's drying up. So, but that's doing well for some reason. So, out. Any kitties in here that don't belong in here? Get out. Olivia.